Well, it's the next day. We're out in the shop. We're going to tighten these down. This is firmed up nicely. Let's make it nice and snug again. That's good. Let's finish this one off. Oh, set you down somewhere, but I'm afraid I'd be in your way. Flip that over so I don't smack the hood. No need to be cursing on the video. If I don't have to, I'll avoid it. All right, that's good and tight. Good and tight. Yeah, I said it. Okay. It's tight. Smooshed. What's next step? I want to wipe that. I guess that soot's not going to come off real easy. Not without scrubbing, and I'm not going to do that in here. I could use brake cleaner, I'm sure, and that would get it off, but I want to start it here shortly, see if it worked. I don't want to start a fire. Well, not today. Ooh. Ooh, that comes clean a little bit. Oh, look at that. Yummy. All right, what's next? That's clamped on. Let's see. Oh, we need to use the muffler clamp. Stick that up, way up there. Get that drop down like that. Take the muffler, set it down through the hole. I can't see the hole. Can you see the hole? Oop. Take that side shield to the face. Hey. That flies him away. Where'd he come from? Well, this isn't working. Came off of there, right? Y'all watch me take it off. I think, oh, there we go. Yeah, this hood is not cooperating as far as lining up. And I think that's all the way down. So we'll flip that back up. Hopefully that stays. And then we're gonna slide that back up. Now I'm gonna have to set you down. And we'll get you right there. How's that? Tie up enough off the base. It'll stay for a minute. My handy dandy ratchet. There we go. Bang, bang, bang. Get that set. They're sitting nice and straight. There we go. Tighten this other one down a bit. Then we're going to see if this thing will start. It should. It's been sitting in the shop. Waiting for the warranty shop to fix it, which is me. Nothing like doing warranty work for yourself, huh? There we go. Starting to get tight. Oh yeah, that's snug. All right, let's get you out of there. See, turn the gas on. There we go. Hook the battery up like that. Handshake, clutch disengaged. Turn the power on. Fumble around and find the choke. And we'll press the starter button. Right? We'll check everything. Fuel's on, everything's on. Okay, here we go. Well, I saw smoke coming from up here a little bit, but I didn't see nothing there. That's a good start. There we go. Got it. Also looks like I got a leak down here. There are no leaks here. I definitely got one up there, so I'll crank that. Yeah, I'll have to tighten up that muffler clamp, and then I need to figure out why this is leaking. It shouldn't be leaking. Where am I going to put you guys? I'm going to put you here next to the hot exhaust manifold. And how's that? Can you see that? There we go. Yeah, definitely gas. Let me get a screwdriver and we'll take a look at this. Alright, we'll shut the fuel off. Got that. It's wet here. Not at this connection. So, which, yeah, you can't see that. Let's see, let's find another spot for you. Get my fingers out of the way. Let's see, can we stick you here without falling over? No. I'm running out of spots for you guys. I kind of need two hands to do this. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, maybe right here on the gas tank, huh? Can you see that? Oh yeah, you can see that. Okay. All right. Bring my drip tray underneath. Catch any large amounts of fuel. It's funny, this thing wasn't leaking until I took it apart yesterday off camera to check something else. That's not going to drip much, so we're good there. And I have another filter, but I'd like to run more fuel through this if it's not cracked. I don't see anything. I don't know if I have the clamp not tight enough. I thought it was. It's so tight I thought I was gonna crush the intake on that air or fuel filter. Okay, try that again. Right about there. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what the deal was on that. Okay, let's turn the fuel back on. Well, let's start it up and see if we have another issue. Well, whatever that was, that's taken care of. Well, I'm gonna finish tightening up this muffler clamp, and then I think we'll take it outside and take it for a little spin. I'll be right back. Well, got it all buttoned up, fired up. Ignition, there's your choke if you need it. I think we're okay, we'll find out. Starter button. Maybe a little choke. There we go. No power steering, so there you go. Got a hand clutch, no power steering. I'm pretty satisfied with this project. However, mechanically, I think I'm okay with it. I won't know until run it some more. One thing I'd like to do, because like I said, this sat in an old dairy barn with the cow manure sitting around. See how the rims are rusted like this? I'd like to repaint the silver on that sometime, hopefully before the show, which is first weekend in August. So what do I got? I got 7 months. Yeah. So I got 7 months to get that taken care of. No water leaks. Carburetor intake's frosting up nicely. That means, I guess that means I'm moving air without water in my float bowl. Here you can see a separation. So if you watch earlier videos, you saw I had a bunch of junk in the tank, a lot of rust. An old tank lining job was done on it. The tank lining was peeling up and coming out, blocking everything. I didn't get anything in the carburetor. The sediment bowl and that fuel filter took care of everything for me. You can see this is still dry. Oh, looks like it's coming from that bolt. Well, it's been a while since I did that project, but all I got that's one drip. That's pretty good. Wipe my hands off. So before I get to my 90-year project named by my daughter, before we get to that, I need to get this R pulling project. There's front end for it. I need to get all this taken care of. That's the engine I'm going to use, the Z engine. If you haven't seen any of the old videos from last year, and I'm going to use this RTI back here. We'll take a look. So I'm going to put a U front end on that Z engine we just looked at, or a narrow front, excuse me, not the U model, but the U front end type. So put a narrow front on that Z engine we just looked at, and we're going to attach it to the back half of this R. But before we get to that, today would be a great day to do it, to start working on it again. It's mid 50s, almost 60 degrees out today. And look at my field. Look at all that water out there. I'm assuming I still have frost in the ground, so the water's not soaking in. After we had the snow, then we got a bunch of rain. We have till about 3 o'clock. No watch. We have till about 3 o'clock to till the next system rolls in and starts dumping more rain. Our river looks like it might flood, or it's starting to flood upriver. But anyway, before I get to the next two projects, the pulling tractor and the 90-year project, I have this project. Somewhere up here, I think where the paint's missing, right up here, there's a hole. And I can barely see it myself. Oh, way in there. Right there. There's a little crack, or a rip, tear. I need to fix that. I didn't know I had that until I was running this old Z Moline on that Gale chopper up here. Full tank of fuel, and they're going just pasture clipping, I believe, and why do I smell raw gas? Well, I finally found out. I had gas pouring out that hole. Uh-oh. But anyway, we'll get that taken care of next. Looks like the U's trying to run out of gas on me, so we'll end the video here, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.